Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Bingo Clash. First, download the app and create an account. Once you're in, navigate to the game lobby to find available matches. Select a game that fits your skill level and entry fee. You'll receive your bingo cards, typically 1 to 4, and the game will begin. Listen for the caller and daub your numbers efficiently to win. During gameplay, numbers are called out and you must quickly daub them on your cards. Look for patterns to achieve a bingo, which can be horizontal, vertical, or diagonal. Power-ups appear periodically. Use them wisely to clear numbers or extend your time. The goal is to get as many bingos as possible before the timer runs out, maximizing your score against opponents. Your score in Bingo Clash is determined by the number of bingos you achieve and your daubing speed. Early bingos often yield higher points. Bonus points are awarded for specific patterns or multiple bingos on one card. To win, you must outscore your opponents. Consistent practice helps develop faster reflexes and better pattern recognition, crucial for high scores. For advanced play, consider exploring different game modes and tournaments, which offer unique challenges and potentially larger rewards. Pay attention to the game's meta and adapt your strategy accordingly. Remember, consistent play and learning from your losses are key to long-term success. Also, for an amazing upgrade to your home, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other fantastic deals. It's a game changer for keeping your space spotless.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.